that is really, really impressive. And I think what I like about that is how, I mean, you could ask an LLM to kind of give you an idea for what a conversation might look like and have it say, okay, first of all, the user says this, then it says that. And that for me was kind of like a fairly obvious place to start. However, what I think is really cool about what you've just shown there is that you're taking that, creating the conversation, but it's not just creating the dialogue nodes. Crucially, what it's doing is in the kore.ai system is it's actually creating, here's the space here where you need to call the API. Here's an actual function that we're going to run here. So you're taking the dialogue, developing more of an understanding about what needs to happen in the conversation, and then actually firing up the function behind the scenes that's the placeholder for that to happen. Because a lot of what, the limitations of large language models is that they do just kind of understand and then produce, and without having context about the conversation, they're a little bit limited. And I think what's cool there is just an observation is how you've kind of blended together the structure that the LLM provides, but then fused it with your core platform kind of capabilities to then basically give everybody a jump start on creation, which is great. I don't know, Prasanna, if you've got any other thoughts on what Nick's just shown there.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think in just that design time, so we have fine-tuned the model to understand not just the conversation flow, but also how core platform expects the conversation to be branching, like you said, even have API calls and logic that needs to be added and all. So that's like almost like a fully functioning dialogue that gets generated.